you simple steps, very effective English you can speak later on. But firstly, I request you, if you want this amazing rule regarding English, then you have to watch complete video. Meanwhile, don't escape. You will get complete information in this video just. I made this video for you. If you are thinking how to speak, then I am telling you simple step. So let's begin. Firstly, you have to read your book. You can take any magazine, you can take newspaper, you can read any book according to your capacity. Then you have to read that and loudly you have to speak. Whatever you are reading, you have to speak, you have to say loudly. And then after some time, you have to understand. You have to understand what is inside in this matter. And daily wise, you have to learn 10 to 15 word meanings, at least 5 word meanings. You can make your vocabulary strong, very strong. So you have to learn vocabulary at least 5 word meanings daily. And then after some time, your English will improve, because of if you will speak front of someone, there is basic need that you need to remember vocabulary. If you have no words in English, how will you speak? How will you speak? No, you can't speak, because of there is compulsory, there is need of vocabulary. So you have to learn word meanings daily, voice 10 or 5 minimum. Okay, and don't skip one day too. And I'm telling you that if you are fond of music, or if you are fond of movies, then you have to watch in English. If you will watch in English, then you will understand well, and you have to listen in English. You will watch that movie in English. Just if you are facing some problem, then you can choose subtitle movie, and you have to watch movie, you have to read subtitle, and then you will consume well English, and then you will listen English and you will watch. Then definitely there is 99 to 100% chances that you will improve gradually, and after 1 or 2 months you will habitual of that, and you will habitual of this type of films, and you will watch continuously, but don't escape. If you have time of 3 hours, 2 hours, at least 1 hour, then watch. If you are entertainment is very, everybody is entertaining, and 1 hour you can take for entertainment. And if you are watching any music, if you are watching any song, if you are watching any movie, even if you are watching any serial, then you can watch it in English. Then it will, I told you, gradually it will improve your English. Okay, and what can you do? You can vocabulary, you have to learn, you have to watch everything in English, whatever you are watching and your TV, web series, etc. etc. So forget Hindi, don't forget Hindi. I mean, for some days you can forget Hindi, and you have to talk in English. More important thing, you will read well, you will watch well, you will watch in English, you can read in English, but question is very big, that how will I speak? You are agitating. If I will do error, if I will do mistake, what will happen? What will happen? Nothing will happen. Pupil will not beat you. If pupil will see your video, if pupil will watch your video, they can't do nothing. If you are making YouTube videos in English and pupils are giving you bad comments, so leave it, don't think it. If you are in learning stage, then you have to improve in yourself, just so focus in yourself. Don't think, don't take any botheration, don't take tension that what will people say. Don't think it. Still, I am doing a lot of mistake, but I am speaking in front of you. So, students or everybody, I'm telling you that forget what will they say. Okay, just speak. Now, your question can be, you can ask me one question that we have no company. This is just only pretend. If you are saying this is joke just. Okay, I'm telling you how. You have a lot of company. You can talk yourself. If you need someone else, then you can make call to customer care, and in English you can talk with them. They are looking for you just. They will give you company. Or besides this, you can talk in your friend circle. If you have friends and they are fond of English, they want to speak in English, then you can create a group and then you can speak English. Or you can do, if you have educated family, then you can talk with your parents, you can talk with your child, you can talk with your classmates, etc, etc. There is a lot of person. Okay, now question is creating. Some students can say that we have illiterate family, we have nobody. Then students, just you have to talk yourself. You have younger brother, sister, you can talk with him. That is not matter he is talking in English or not. Not matter. But you are talking with him, with her. That's sufficient. You are talking. They can give you reply in yes or no. Just this is sufficient. Okay? And just you have to talk more. This is most effective work. This is most effective thing, that just you have to talk more, and there is no any other way. You are remembering, you are remaining some vocabulary. If you are watching movie in English, if you are reading in English, and conclusion will be done when will you speak. If you will not speak, there will be not any conclusion. So remember it. You have to speak in any cost, and forget everybody that what will they say. You have to speak, and gradually it will improve in you, and then you will speak fluent in English. Okay, and follow this, and beside this, you can follow this channel. You can subscribe this channel. You can press that icon, and then I will give you more tips for English, effective tips. Then you can follow me, and I will meet you in next video. So if you share this video till end, at the end, please hit the like button, please, and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you so much.